So often there are situations in enterprise applications where assets have a state. So maybe it's a vehicle that has to go into maintenance, and so it's in maintenance state and it cannot be used for normal operations. Maybe it's a hospital where it's a vital signs monitor that has just come off a patient and needs to be sanitized by a biotech before it can be put back into use again. Maybe it's a bin in a manufacturing facility that is empty and needs more spare parts. So let's see how the Visybl AssetBeacon can be used by an associate to very easily change state for an asset. The beacons have a button right under that logo there, and clicking it can toggle the state. So for starters, let's just scan it, and so those assets are being represented here. And I'm going to change the state on this beacon, which is 04 F F0, which is the third one on the list right there. And let's see what happens to it. So I'm just going to take this off the screen for a second while I press the button so I don't wobble the screen too much. So now I press the button and you can see that the state is marked as having changed, and it's as simple as that. I can press it again and the state will go back to normal. And there you see it, the state's gone back to normal. Very useful feature, very easy for task workers to communicate information to a backend without having to really log in or use a complicated app. Just press a button and you communicate a piece of information.